Yo, what's up? So this video is a brief update of the current movement of Bitcoin. So right now, today Bitcoin is at the price of $119,213. As of today, it is up 1.48%, which is $1,738. It is 11:52 a.m. in Central Standard Time, July 16th, 2025. Right now, the momentum remains strong, echoing institutional investment and bullish sentiment tied to U.S. regulatory developments. Now, as far as policy and legislative impact, this week has been dubbed Crypto Week in Congress because of key bills like the Genius Stablecoin Act, Clarity Act, and Anti-CBDC Surveillance State Act were floated through the House. Recently tabled some measures, causing about a 3% Bitcoin dip on news of the setback. A reversal or advancement of legislation could reignite significant volatility. Institutional and corporate moves. Cantor Fitzgerald's $4 billion SPAC is poised to absorb roughly $3 billion in Bitcoin, signaling serious institutional accumulation. Broad corporate adoption is expanding. Firms beyond MicroStrategy like GameStop, Figma, Sequence are adding Bitcoin to their treasuries, driving forecasts toward 140,000 plus Bitcoin price. So basically, because of the broad corporate adoption is expanding, with other firms like GameStop, Figma, and other major firms could shoot the price of Bitcoin to at least 140,000 and beyond. Now here go the price outlook. Recent all-time highs of Bitcoin recently traded above 120,000, with some experts calling for continued upside toward 130,000 to 140,000 by the end of July. Targets for 2025, analysts from Stanford Chartered, Bitwise, and Bernstein foresee at least 200,000 by the year end in bullish scenarios. Alternative scenarios like moderates expect a 100,000 to 150,000 range, while bearish outlooks believe it will fall back to 85,000 to 100,000 if macro regulatory risks intensify. Short-term technicals. AI forecasts predict a July end level near 114,700, assuming support holds above 108,000. Now here goes some risks and caveats. Legislative uncertainty. Mixed congregational outcomes during Crypto Week could cause near-term volatility, both up or down. Macro triggers. A strong dollar, a market pullback, or geopolitical shocks may temporarily drag Bitcoin back towards the 100,000 support zone. Volatility remains high even within bullish cycles. Sharp corrections are possible. Stay alert to technical resistance zones around 120,000 to 125,000. So, my final thoughts. Bitcoin is riding a wave of institutional interest and crypto-friendly sentiment, supported by ETF inflows, corporate treasury purchases, and possible U.S. policy tailwinds. Momentum may push prices to 130,000 to 140,000 in the near term, with long-term targets reaching 200,000 by the year end, but legislative uncertainty and macro risks still pose significant risks.